Fix no sound issue in Windows Media Player, Windows 11 or 10, caused by sound settings, drivers, or app glitches. Let's fix it now. Solution 1. Repair and reset the app. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Open Settings. Click on Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Find Windows Media Player, click the 3 dots beside it, and choose Advanced Options. Now click on Repair. Once that's done, also click on Reset. Solution 2. Use Device Diagnostic Tool Search for PowerShell in the Start menu. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now type the following command: msdct.exe id space decevicediagnosdaice, and press Enter. Click on Next. Then click Enable if any issue is found. Close the tool after it finishes fixing. Solution 3. Update or reinstall audio driver. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Open Device Manager. Expand the sound adapter section. Right-click on your audio driver and choose Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Once done, click Close. Now again, right-click the audio driver and choose Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. Then go to the Action tab and click Scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall Windows Media Player. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Open Settings. Click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Windows Media Player, click the 3 dots, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Uninstall. Now, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Windows Media Player. Click on it from the search results. Then click Get to download and install it. Once installed, click on Launch. This should fix the no sound issue in Windows Media Player on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Let's hope one of these methods worked for you. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.